Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I hope the screen is visible.
No. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope we were talking about the parts of speech, right?
Ma'am, we done that.
Like we did that, right? So we were here, I think so. Common noun.
No, ma'am, we have done all types of noun. Yes, ma'am, take collective noun.
We completed all, no? And
Yes.
we were in uncountable collective. We completed this, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This one, I think is also okay, fine. Okay, so today we'll be talking something called as demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so do you guys have ever came across demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives?
No, ma'am.
No. So before going to that, just I will be asking you what is an adjective and what is a pronoun? Yeah, what is an adjective? Yeah, you both are muted. What is adjective?
Yes.
Yeah, am I audible?
Ma'am, adjective describes the work.
Give some examples for adjectives.
Example, he is going to ride on bicycle.
Okay. So for pronoun,
Now, pronoun is used. Pronoun is used instead of noun. It's like Priya have a book. Instead of saying Priya have a book, Priya have a book that is based on APJ Abdul Kalam. We can say Priya has a book. Her book is based on APJ Abdul Kalam.
good. So basically, what is the one second? I'll open this blog. Yeah. So in future classes, you will be coming across something called demonstrative. So what is this demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative means it is little more, representing little more deeper pronouns and adjective. For example, today we will just see this, okay? So this, those, that, and these. First of all, you should know that these all the four, this, those, that, and these, all these four are demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective. Both are demonstrative pronoun as well as demonstrative adjective. Now the question is, where we will use this? So if I give you a sentence, how will you find that this is a demonstrative pronoun or that is a demonstrative adjective? How will you find that? So that is a question. So we will read this block. This, those, that, and these all are used to describe or replace an object or idea in English. Why this is useful? Can you tell me what is the use of this, those, that, and these?
Ma'am, it is used to specify something.
Okay, so specify what?
Ma'am, example, this is my pen stand.
Okay, so this is my pen This is my pen stand. Okay, okay, fine. So they all have their own values. So we use them in a different sentences. So why is this useful? It is a placeholder. So you can communicate without repeating the same word. For example, this is advice room. This has plenty of books. This has lot of shelves. This room has, so instead of telling this is advice room, advice room, advice room, I can use this, that word instead of that advice, correct? So instead of the
Yes.
repeating the same over, yeah, instead of repeating the same word again and again, I can use this or those or that or these. Basically they act as a pronoun only, but how come they are adjective also, like demonstrative adjective also? When you're learning English as a second language, these words are especially useful. When you don't have all the vocabulary you needed, you can ask what is this or what was that called. These placeholder words are called demonstrative pronouns. So basically they act as a pronoun. Instead of a noun, we are having a substitute. Yes. So what is a demonstrative pronoun? This, that, these, those, or demonstrative pronouns. A pronoun. So basically, you know what is a pronoun? A pronoun in English is a word that replaces a noun or a thing. We know that. Instead of noun, if you are using she, he, like that means it is demonstrative pronoun. I mean, no, sorry, it's a pronoun. So it's also a handy grammar shortcut, so you don't have to repeat yourself. Demonstrative comes from the word to demonstrate. So the word demonstrative means, what is the meaning? To demonstrate, which means to show clearly. A demonstrative pronoun works as a placeholder to replace a noun in a sentence. For example, see the original sentence, how much is the shirt that I am holding? How much is this? Instead of the shirt, I can say this. So here, can you tell me which one will be the subject of the sentence? I mean, which one will be the noun of the sentence?
Ma'am, the noun in the original sentence will be shirt.
Correct, no? The shirt will be the noun. So what is the noun? As I told you, the hero of the sentence. So if any sentence is talking about one particular thing, that thing will be hero. So that is nothing but noun. Correct. So here the
Yes.
original sentence is, how much is this shirt? So shirt is the original sentence. It's the shirt is the noun here. So if you want to use pronoun there, so if you want to use demonstrative pronoun there, so instead of the shirt, I can tell this. That's all, no? Just this. How much is this? So if I see that, I can understand whether it is shirt or pant or whatever it is, right?
Yes,
How much
ma'am.
is this? So now you understood what is a demonstrative pronoun. No much confusion. Instead of noun, if you are using some word, then it is demonstrative pronoun. Correct. So
Yes.
now going to
Okay.
demonstrative adjective. So what about demonstrative adjective? There is another way to use. So these all the four words are also called as demonstrative adjective. Please hold on for 1 minute. I'm coming back. Yeah. So demonstrative adjectives. So what are demonstrative adjectives? Again, these all the four words are coming under demonstrative adjectives only. An adjective is a descriptive word that goes with a noun. Using this, that, these, and those as demonstrative adjective helps us to distinguish between multiple objects or ideas. See, from here you have to listen it very carefully. You understood what is a demonstrative pronoun from this sentences? Now we are moving into demonstrative adjective. They look very similar, but you have to understand the differences. Now see, in this case, you keep the noun, but add this, that, those, these are for clarity. Demonstrative pronoun versus demonstrative adjective. See here, a demonstrative adjective describes a noun, while a demonstrative pronoun replaces a noun. This is a golden word, golden sentence. All right, a demonstrative adjective is going to describe the noun, but the pronoun is going to replace the noun. The beauty is we are going to use all these four words. These four words are acting both as demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun, but still they are going to contribute different meaning. Correct? Got it?
Ma'am, I didn't got
what
demonstrative adjective.
See, I'm telling you, we didn't go for the demonstrative adjective till now. I'm just asking you, like, are you able to guess it? Like, this sentence is very clear, no? Demonstrative adjective is going to describe a noun, as you said, and demonstrative pronoun is going to replace the noun. What is the work of a pronoun? To replace the noun, right? Instead of telling the nouns again and again, I am using he or she or they or it. But what is demonstrative adjective? They are going to describe a noun, right? So you know what is the work of an adjective, what is the work of a pronoun. Now the task is use these four words. Use these four words such that they both act as a demonstrative noun and pronoun. They both are both. So all the four belongs to both category, demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. But how you will use and where you are using it, that is important. Which area you are using. If I'm using this in some area, so that act as demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. Like that. Now getting it? Yeah? Getting it? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
We will see the example. Don't have to worry for that. These grapes are good, but I won't eat those. See the sentence very carefully. These grapes are good. Here. These grapes are good, but I won't eat those. Now, in this sentence, these and those are maybe demonstrative adjective or maybe demonstrative pronoun. No, correct? It may be anything. Correct. We have only four words, that is this, that, and those. Correct? Only four words are there.
Yes.
So in this four words, these two words we got here. That is these we got and those we got. Now, can you tell me what is the subject, I mean noun of the sentence? What is the hero of the sentence?
Ma'am, grapes.
Grapes is going to be the noun of the sentence. Now, what is an pronoun that is going to replace the? What is a pronoun that is going to replace the noun? What is a demonstrative pronoun that is going to replace the noun? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So here already noun is there. Already noun is there. So we don't want any replacement for noun. Am I right?
Yes.
So still we have these. We don't want to replace the grapes because we already have the noun in the sentence. We don't want to replace the noun, but still we have this. So it cannot be demonstrative pronoun. It should be demonstrative adjective only. Right?
Yes.
Now did you get it? How I'm telling it's demonstrative adjective.
Yes. No. Ma'am, I didn't got that.
See here. So what is the work of a demonstrative pronoun? To replace the noun, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this sentence, what is the noun?
Ma'am, grapes.
Grapes. Okay. So we already have the noun. So we don't want any replacement for this noun, correct?
No, ma'am, we do not need.
What?
And we do not need any replacement.
Yeah, we do not need any replacement. See, for example, if I'm telling Advik Singh is a good boy, Advik Singh is in 5th standard, Advik Singh is a good singer, Advik Singh, instead of telling he, I am putting Advik Singh itself. So I don't want any replacement, no.
Ma'am, we need one.
I mean, I'm asking you, the noun is already there in the sentence. So we don't want any replacement for the noun, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But still we have the replacement. These comes under demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective, maybe we don't know still, but still we have the replacement, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but then that's why I'm telling, surely this cannot be a demonstrative pronoun. This cannot be a demonstrative pronoun because pronoun's objective is to replace the noun. But in this case, we already have the noun. So we don't want any replacement. So surely it's going to be demonstrative.
Adjective.
Exactly. Yeah. Now got the logic?
Yes, ma'am.
But now this is the first part of the sentence. See the second part of the sentence. But I wouldn't eat those. Here, the first
Ma'am?
sentence is talking about the
Ma'am,
grapes. Yeah.
Ma'am, it's
demonstrative pronoun.
Yes,
This is going
ma'am.
to be demonstrative pronoun. Why?
Ma'am, because instead
because
of
there is
noun,
a
it is giving as but.
Those, not but. Right? Instead of, so I wouldn't eat those means in this, those also they are representing grapes only, no? Grapes or maybe some other fruits, but still they are representing the noun only. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But they are not telling frankly. Like in the first sentence, they told grapes frankly, but in the second part of the sentence, they just told those. They didn't say frankly what are those. So it is a replacement for noun, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
obviously this is going to be demonstrative.
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
Exactly.
Ma'am?
Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
that means this sentence is both of the types.
Correct. This sentence is having both the demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. They have both.
Okay, ma'am.
But the thing is, you have to understand where we will use. Got it? Like where we will use in the sense, like if I give a sentence, you should be able to tell me like which one is demonstrative pronoun and which one is demonstrative adjective. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Now we're going back to the block. Yeah, see here. So we were in this sentence. So as we told, these referring to good grapes in the demonstrative adjective, right? So good. So these are the demonstrative adjective. Those referring to not so good grapes. So it's a demonstrative pronoun. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now see the other sentences. I like the cake that I am eating. So this is going to be the original sentence. I like the cake. I like the cake. Okay, this is the original sentence. If I want to convert the sentence to a demonstrative adjective, how will I do that? I
Ma'am,
like this cake.
Ma'am, we will.
Correct. See the second one. I like this cake. Correct.
yes, ma'am.
So what is this? What is this sentences? In this sentence, we have this. We have used the word this. So this is going to be a demonstrative adjective only. Why?
Ma'am, because there is no replacement of noun.
Very good. Replacement of the noun in the sense cake can also be taken as a noun. So you don't have any replacement or substitute for the cake. So they have told the cake also, but this also is there. So surely it's going to be demonstrative adjective. But see the second sentence, demonstrative pronoun. I like this. That's all. There is no cake. Instead of cake, they replace the cake with this. So that is going to be demonstrative
Pronoun.
pronoun. Yeah.
Pronoun.
So now you understood the difference between the demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, clear?
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
It's easy only, right?
Yes. Yes.
Correct. See here. So this sentence. You can try. You both can try. Yeah. First one. These flowers are much nicer than those.
Ma'am, the part these flowers uh, is demonstrative
Ma'am,
adjective
these flowers is
and are much nicer
demonstrative
than
adjective and
its
are much
demonstrative pronoun.
Those are pronoun.
nicer than those are pronoun.
Good, good, very good. Now, see here, these flowers. So, can you tell me the explanation?
Ma'am, these flowers, these, ma'am, because there is no replacement of noun, that's why it's demonstrative adjective. And the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
part of the sentence, are much nicer than those. We are using
replacing the
those,
noun.
ma'am, we are using those as the substitute of that I'm not holding. That's why it is replaced by the noun. That's why it is pronoun.
Yeah. Now, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, try the sentence.
I can see the I can see this, but demonstrative adjective. But was that demonstrative pronoun?
He said that he was tired. Okay. In this, what are the four words, first of all? Sorry, what is the word? That, no?
Ma'am, that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In this,
Ma'am,
yeah.
it is demonstrative. It is
Stative
demonstrative pronoun.
How it is pronounced?
Ma'am, because
It's going to be
Ma'am, it
demonstrative
is
adjective, no? Because
Adjective, ma'am.
he is going to be the subject of the sentence, and you don't have the you don't need the replacement because you have the he word already mentioned here. Already pronoun is there, pronoun itself is there. So we don't want a demonstrative pronoun. Understood?
yes,
Already
Yes.
we have a pronoun. So why we need a demonstrative pronoun? Yes, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's going to be demonstrative adjective only for sure, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Try the sentence.
I
Ma'am,
can
I
see
can
this
see
chicken
this
is
chicken.
demonstrative
This is
adjective, but what is
demonstrative
that is
adjective
demonstrative pronoun.
pronoun, ma'am.
Good. So this sentence is again very clear, no doubts, right?
Yes,
So here, see
Yes.
here. Here are some examples illustrating the difference between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative pronouns. So this is delicious. This here, this replaces a noun, perhaps referring to a specific dish, right? So this is delicious. So we don't have noun in this sentence, no? There is no noun, right? Just simply they told this is
yes,
delicious. So this is going to replace a noun. So they definitely come under demonstrative pronoun, right?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See the second sentence. That was an incredible performance. Here we don't know what is the performance. That can be a drama, that can be a dance, that can be a music. We don't know what is that performance. But simply they are telling that was an incredible performance, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So we don't have noun in the sentence. So it comes under demonstrative pronoun, right?
Yes.
See here. These are my friends. Here we know that these people are your friends, but we don't know the name of the friends, no? Because name
Yes.
of a place, animal and thing is only noun, correct?
Noun. Yes.
So we don't have the name of the friend. So if I'm telling advising is my friend, okay? So then comes advising is a noun. So then you can say like you have a noun, but here we don't have a noun. Instead of noun, they are asking these. Sorry, they are replacing it with these. So these comes under noun.
Noun.
Sorry, a
Noun.
demonstrative pronoun. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Fourth sentence, can you explain?
Those,
Those
ma'am,
were amazing stories.
ma'am, uh,
Ma'am,
we
it
do
is
not uh, uh, these
because
stories. That's why,
because the
but
name of the story was not written
ma'am, there
in
is no noun.
sentence.
Ma'am, there is no noun. That's why we have used those.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Yes. So now here are the examples of demonstrative adjectives. This cake is delicious. So as we said that cake sentence, here this already cake is a noun of the sentence, no? We have the noun, but still we have the replacement for the noun, that is adjective then, demonstrative adjective, right?
Yes, sir.
That movie was incredible. Here we know that the line is talking about movie. Movie is going to be the subject of the sentence, but we have that also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is going to be your noun. Yes. Here modifies, I mean, that is going to be a demonstrative adjective. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ma'am, in second sentence, can be the noun?
What? I can't get you.
Ma'am, in the demonstrative pronouns in second sentence, can the performance can it be noun?
It cannot be a noun. Why? Because performance is something incomplete sentence. Because I can say the performance can be anything. It can be a drama. So if I'm telling that was an incredible dance, then you can think of like dance may be the noun, but still dance cannot be noun. You have to be more specific. That was an incredible classical dance. If I'm telling like that, it will be more specific, but we are just telling some performance is happening. We don't know what kind of performance is that. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see?
Yes.
That is where you get confused. So you should not get confused. The more and more you learn, you will not get confused. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So those were amazing stories. Okay, this one you completed. These books are my favorite. Here, books is already the noun. So it
Yes,
modifies the noun books. So the word these is going to modify. Modify in the sense
Yes.
it's going to enhance. Already we have books, but we are telling these books, just not books. Just books are not my favorite. Only these set of books are my favorite. So this is a demonstrative adjective, right? So you can also understand in these things in another way. For example, books
Yes.
are my favorite. Books are my favorite. Okay, books are my favorite. It means that a book is a noun. Okay, book is a noun. Book is going to be the noun. But these books means these books are only my favorite means what? Some good things is there, no, in that books can be wonderful books. So it's like enhancing your noun, no. Instead of just telling advising is a boy, advising is a beautiful boy. It means beautiful is a adjective. Here I am telling books are my favorite. I'm just not telling books are my favorite. Books are my favorite means all books will come under my favorite. But all books are not my favorite. Only these books are my favorite. These means what? Only some group of the books are favorite. Correct?
yes,
So in that way also you can say these comes under adjective. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
And see this fourth sentence, those flowers are beautiful. So already flowers is a
The
noun.
noun is
Ma'am, this sentence means that these flowers are not beautiful, those flowers are beautiful. We are
Exactly.
specifying something.
Exactly. Now you got that thing, right? Why we are saying, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. So, yeah. So comparing demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective in pairs. So see a demonstrative pronoun. This is my coat. Demonstrative adjective means this coat is mine. So this is my coat means this is my coat is going to be a demonstrative pronoun, because here this can be any person. This can be Advai, this can be Advik, this can be me also. Okay, this is my coat means I can say this is Harsha's coat, this is Advik's coat, this is Advai's coat. Okay, like this is can be anything, but this is this is going to replace the noun. So we don't have the noun in the sentence. We don't know that person. This may be a female, this may be a male. We don't know who is that, right? So this is going to replace the noun. But you see the sentence, second sentence, this coat is mine. So this coat is mine means here mine is like we know that it's already mine. I'm telling it's mine. But I'm telling this, specifically this. This means demonstrative pronoun. Correct? Understanding? Both of you?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I
didn't
don't
understand.
understand.
You didn't
Ma'am,
understand?
I don't understand the.
See
Yes.
here. See. It's easy only. See here. This is my coat. This is my coat. Just see this sentence and tell me this belongs to demonstrative pronoun or adjective.
Ma'am, demonstrative
Demonstrative.
pronoun.
Pronoun. Why you're telling that? Because we don't have noun in this sentence. Right?
Yes.
Ma'am, my,
Yeah, that
ma'am,
is what. This is my coat. Here you should not think like my is a, that is why I'm telling you should not think like my is the subject. In this sentence, we are talking about coat. We are not talking about my coat. I'm just talking about some coat. Who is the hero of the sentence? The coat is the hero of the sentence. I'm talking about the quote only, no? In this sentence, I'm not talking about myself. I'm just telling it's my quote. I'm talking about my quote only, not. So that is why when I was giving you the definition of noun itself, I told that going to be the hero of the sentence. Here, the hero of the sentence is quote only. I'm not talking about myself, right? I am not
yes,
talking about my. The word my may be a subject, but I'm not talking about my. I am the whole sentence is about quote, not about my quote. It can be your quote or my quote, doesn't care, but it's a quote. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So here we don't have the subject. We know that it's a quote. It's my quote. So we don't have the subject in the sentence. We don't have the noun in the sentence. For example, if I'm converting this line into like this quote is advice. So now this will be demonstrative.
Ma'am, adjective.
Exactly. Now you got it why I'm telling this is an adjective, because advai is there. Advai is going to be noun. So I don't want any replacement for noun. I already have the noun itself. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now getting it somewhat?
Ma'am, I understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Somewhat okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't connect this sentence and this sentence. Now we will take this sentence separately. Okay, don't if you connect and see, like, then you will get confused. Now see, this coat is mine. Actually, the sentence itself wrong. So I can say, see, so that is why I told two ways are there to identify demonstrative adjective. Remove this word. Remove this word. Just see, coat is mine. Okay, coat is mine. Just I'm telling the coat is mine. If I'm including this coat, it means, for example, Advai and Advik, just imagine there are 10 different coats in front of you. Black color coat, blue color coat, white color coat, yellow, purple, like that. Some 10 different coats are there. Will you just normally come and say coat is mine?
No, ma'am.
Will you say like that? Coat is mine. There are 10 coats in front of you. Will you just say coat is mine?
No, ma'am.
You will say this coat is mine. This means what? Some particularly you're specifying the noun. You're enhancing the noun. That is the work of an adjective, right? What is the work of an adjective? To enhance the noun. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, instead of saying Advik is a good boy, Advik is a boy, I'm saying Advik is a good boy. Good is the adjective there. Like that, instead of saying coat is mine, this particular coat is mine. Maybe that this may be a purple color coat, or maybe in the 10 coats, 9 coats may be not good. Only one coat may be looking good. So you will be saying this coat is mine because that is looking good, or you will say this coat is mine because that is looking black color. My coat is black in color. Instead of saying coat is mine, I'm using this coat is mine. It means you're specifying the noun, you're enhancing the noun, right?
Yes.
In this sentence, you will be doing one mistake by seeing the word mine. You will think mine means subject. So we have the noun here. So like we will be getting confused, but that's not the case. In this sentence, you should see this coat is mine in this way. Like whatever I said you now. Yeah?
Ma'am, in the first sentence also, demonstrative pronoun. This is
Yeah.
when there is a subject coat.
Yeah, there is a subject coat. That is why I'm telling again and again, this is my coat. It's like we don't know what kind of coat is that. We don't know it's whether a blue coat or black coat. We don't know. We are just saying this is my coat. Already coat is a noun and we don't want a replacement for noun. Right?
Yes, no, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm telling the coat is a commonly we are telling the coat. That's all. Here in this sentence, this coat is mine. This means like I know the coat is mine, but not all coats are mine. Only this coat is mine. Right? But in this sentence, if you say this is my coat, I am directly telling that this is my coat. So this can be any person. This coat can be Advice coat. This coat can be Advik's coat. This coat can be Harsha's coat also. Anybody's coat. We don't know whose coat is that. This my here, don't know who is that my. He or she, or we don't know who is that subject. Got it?
Yes.
Somewhat getting it? Somewhat?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have to confuse these things or else. Like till this slide, I hope it
Ma'am,
would be
in
clear
the
at
word
least.
of I, change it. Yes, ma'am.
At least till this slide, it should be clear, no? Fully.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's all for today. We don't have to dump much because we learned very important concept today. Demonstrative pronoun, demonstrative adjective. Homework, you please do that and come in the next class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.